Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue you might encounter while working with Mongoose and Node.js, the DEP0040 deprecation warning related to the Punycode module. This warning can be a bit confusing, but don't worry. We'll break down what it means, why it's happening, and, most importantly, how to fix it. It's usually harmless in production, but it's always good practice to keep your code clean and address these warnings. Let's dive in. The DEP0040 warning essentially means that Node.js is phasing out the built-in Punycode module. Punycode is used for encoding Unicode characters into a format compatible with older systems that only support ASCII. While Mongoose itself doesn't directly use Punycode in your main application logic, one of its dependencies might be triggering this warning. This commonly happens because older versions of Mongoose driver, which Mongoose uses, rely on modules that internally use Punycode. This doesn't mean your Mongoose code is broken. However, ignoring deprecation warnings can lead to problems later when the deprecated feature is fully removed in future Node.js versions. So, how do we resolve this? The most effective way is to update Mongoose and its dependencies to their latest versions. Open your terminal and run the command npm update mongoose. This command updates Mongoose to the newest version available in your project's package.json. It also updates its dependencies including the Mongoose driver. After updating Mongoose, run your application again to see if the warning is gone. If it persists, you might need to manually update the Mongoose driver. Use the command npm update mongoose. Once you've updated both Mongoose and the Mongoose driver, the Punycode deprecation warning should disappear. However, in rare instances, even after updating, the warning may still appear if some other indirect dependencies are using the older modules. In such cases, you can try to identify the culprit using npm list Punycode to pinpoint the specific package causing the warning. Then, you can either update that package if possible or consider alternative packages that don't rely on the deprecated Punycode module. While this situation is less common with Mongoose directly, understanding how to diagnose and resolve it is a valuable skill. Finally, always remember to check your console logs after updating packages. There might be other deprecation warnings or breaking changes that you need to address. Addressing deprecation warnings is a proactive step toward ensuring the stability and longevity of your Node.js applications. That's it for today's tutorial on resolving the DEP0040 deprecation warning for the Punycode module in Mongoose. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more content. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this.